Hi, this is a short introduction to digital open badges. In this video, we'll explain what digital open badges are, why they use them, and how they use them. As we know, learning happens in various contexts. We are used to think that learning happens especially at school and in other educational institutions. Certainly so, but we also learn new skills at hobbies, voluntary work, associations, for instance, on the internet, and at work. But does the competence always show? Well, all competencies are not visible on school certificates. Actually, often many skills remain hidden, and open badges can help us in making skills visible. Then what is an open badge? It is a digital badge used on the internet, which can be awarded for skills, achievements, or participation, for example. Open badges are already used in many countries. What does an open badge contain then? A badge is an image, but it includes a lot of other information as well. The other information is, for instance, the name of the badge, the description of the badge, the competence criteria. This is very important because the criteria show what the owner of the badge knows, what his or her skills are. Then there is the date of issue and, of course, the information about the issuer of the badge. How can the badges then be used? Well, first of all, the badges can showcase one's own skills more effectively. You can use them when showing and expressing skills in studies or job applications, for instance. You can also create suitable combinations of various badges for different purposes. The badges can be shared on social media platforms. They can be added as links to a resume or job application, or they can be printed out in a PDF format. In practice, the recipient of a badge gathers the badges into a specially designed service, the so-called Open Badge Passport. These services are free of charge for the user. The badge issuers have their own software that is called often a factory, and they are usually subject to a charge. There are several software options. Here are some of them listed. The pictures on these are taken from the Open Badge Factory and Open Badge Passport services. It's important that they all support the Open Badge standards, which means that you can use them. You can use the badges issued on several or various softwares. You can use them in a one passport service. You can start exploring the open badges by, for instance, creating an account in a passport service.